What's good, everybody? Welcome to the Coin Junior channel. Today we're going to be going through my Twitter news and look at some latest news updates on the market. Alright, so I scrolled a bit on my Twitter and I found two bearish news. Okay, number one, Elon Musk says the recession could last until spring 2024. We never know, but judging by how the markets are reacting and how the market is trading, I would say it's completely plausible. Alright, and the second most important one, the US Federal Reserve set to raise interest rates by 75 basis points, 0.75%, the Wall Street Journal reports. Okay, if you guys don't understand why this news matters so much to the market, let's take a look. So the current interest rate in the United States now is 3.25%. Okay, it's kind of a ripple effect. If the inflation rates keeps on rising, the only thing to curb the rising inflation rate is by raising interest rates. Okay, and the Fed is trying to raise the interest rate so that it makes it harder to borrow money or paying back your debts and a lot of stuff. I'm not an economic expert, okay, and let's dive in to this thing, which will perfectly explain what I can't explain. All right, I apologize. Inflation is when the general prices of goods and services rise in an economy, which may be caused by a nation's currency losing value or by an economy becoming overheated, which is the perfect situation right now for the US. Okay, I'm not saying it's a perfect situation, but what I meant to say is a perfect example. All right, because the US dollar has been gaining so much traction, all right, and it's rising against all the other currencies, it makes it harder for other countries to pay back their US debts, all right, because of the rising interest rates. So a lot of countries are defaulting, like Sri Lanka has defaulted, and UK is in a deep economic crisis. All right, so the only way for the United States to make sure the other countries are paying back their debts, the only way is to make sure the inflation is going back down, so that they can continue to cut the interest rate one by one to make sure the other countries are able to pay back their debts. All right, it's simple as that. Okay. When inflation rises, interest rates are often increased as well, right? So that the central bank can keep inflation in check, they tend to target 2%. All right, so 2% is the optimal percentage of just a mild inflation, which they're okay with, all right? But to give you a perspective, the current inflation rate in the United States is 8.2%. All right, do you understand how severe that is? Inflation is destroying lives, all right? It's taking away jobs. People are struggling to survive, all right? If, however, interest rates fall, inflation can begin to accelerate as people buying on cheap credit can begin bidding up prices once again. So this is like an endless cycle of rising interest rates, bringing down inflation rates, cutting the interest rates, and then it just goes like a circle. All right, it's a never-ending circle, and we all have to live through it. All right, we have no choice. So what does this mean to the crypto market? As you can see, it's been trading red, a lot of rebounds a bit, a lot of greens I can see, but it's really just minor changes, like nearly 1%, 0.72%, 0.79%. Cardano is just rebounding a bit. I bought Cardano yesterday, hoping that it would trigger an accumulation, but after this news, I'm pretty sure that a lot of people will panic and a lot of people will try to exit the market. All right, so this is my point. When the Federal Reserve raise interest rates, a lot of people will start to quit risky assets. And what is the number one risky asset on the market right now? Cryptocurrency. Okay, so because people want to hold liquidity, they want to hold cash on their hands so that they don't risk losing all their money and capital, they have to exit these markets. That is why a lot of the times when you guys read the news, when the Fed raises interest rates or when the inflation rates comes out, when all the reports comes out, a lot of people exit the market. All right, this is the reason why, because they want to escape risky assets. They want to hold liquidity. They want to make sure they have cash to survive. Okay, they have everything to lose. Okay, so let's take a look at my Twitter and see what's going on besides this extremely bearish news. Let's see new tweets. Show 7 tweets. Traders can purchase ADA perpetual contracts and simultaneously sell ADA tokens in a spot market to safely pocket the funding rate, one expert said. This is nice. Smart money eyes market neutral trades as ADA, AXS see unusually. I'm not going to click into it. Interesting. All right, this is nice. So I think a stock exchange has provided ADA trading options to their customers, which is amazing, which is good. We want to see adoption. Crypto news panic as report claims Elon Musk will slash Twitter's workforce by 75%. A lot more unemployment coming soon, guys. This is really bad. Okay, Blue Sky, the decentralized social network initiative backed by Twitter founder Jack Dorsey, opened its waitlist on Tuesday and received 30,000 signups for over 48 hours. Wow, a decentralized social network, Blue Sky. Nice. I'm gonna try to dabble into this and let you guys know what is happening on that platform. I'm really interested in this. Chainlink. Furio Crypto has integrated Chainlink VRF on BNB Chain mainnet to help fairly allocate monthly raffle rewards. You see, this is why I'm bullish on Chainlink, because they have this decentralized Oracle service where they provide off-chain data to a lot of these blockchains, okay, to make sure that all the data is authentic, true, and accurate. This is why I'm bullish on Chainlink, because it has real use case. Okay, you guys can check out Chainlink yourself. You guys can check out the Chainlink spotlight on my YouTube shorts. Okay, check out my YouTube shorts. I explain what Chainlink is. Okay, trading volume in the metaverse plummeted in Q3, but the NFT fever isn't gone. Yep, a lot of people are still buying NFTs. All right, although I'm not interested in it, it doesn't mean that you guys shouldn't trade. All right. Had NY Times embraced Lightning in 2021, it could have made 46% more in profit. Lightning opens up. Oh, this is the Bitcoin Lightning Network. All right, it's like a L2 chain where it prioritizes payment channels. Okay, so it neglects all those high fees. So if you guys want to pay stuff and if you guys want to conduct like a transaction, you can conduct through Bitcoin Lightning Network. Okay, it's way faster and it's way cheaper. Okay, so you don't have to go through the Bitcoin main blockchain where it's consistently congested and high gas fees. Okay, yep, we went through this. What weekly close are expected for Bitcoin? I'm expecting a 19k drop. Not drop. Okay, I'm expecting Bitcoin to trade still at the 19,000 range. All right. Although I still remain bullish on crypto, it doesn't mean that it's gonna drop. Okay, and based on my analysis, the accumulation has been going strong, but it doesn't mean that the price is gonna spike up. Okay, it's gonna be taking quite some time, but I feel like a rally will come sooner. Okay, I still stand by my statement. Okay, so collapse Australian exchange ACX use customer funds instead of keeping the funds on reserve. Wow. This is great. This is great. Bitcoin miners Core Scientific and Argo blockchain were downgraded from buy to neutral by Wall Street investment bank D.A. Davidson. A lot of mining companies are pulling the plug as well. This is sad. This bear market has been really bad. All right, so let's see. Indian authority says it has frozen 44.5 additional bitcoins as a part of a money laundering investigation into a mobile gaming app. Yeah, wow, a lot of bearish news today. It's kind of a bad week. I'm not even gonna lie. It's kind of a bad week. Uzbekistan has no joke with cryptocurrencies. Local law enforcement is getting extensive training on crypto seizing and blockchain analysis. It's a good thing. We need more rules and regulations so that people can feel safe investing into blockchains. Metaverse trading volume going down. Kraken restricts Russians. Investors hunting Do Kwon stole the gas fees on Ethereum. South Africa and crypto. Bearish news, guys. Bearish news. Really bearish news. Capitulation signs have been popping up Friday, including transactions from addresses trading out their assets while at a loss. Bitcoin is seeing its lowest ratio of loss versus profit transaction in 4 to 5 months, and Ethereum is seeing historical lows. So let's take a look at this chart right here. Ethereum seeing large transactions happening while traders are at a loss. All right, so you can see a lot of people are trading at a loss, and a lot of people are, the market is capitulating, and a lot of people are liquidated. Okay, because of the bear market. It's can see this chart right here. It's really sad, like the bear market is going really strong. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end the video right here. And okay, one last one. Goldman sees several more quarters of dollar strength. That's not good news for Bitcoin. Yep, the dollars just keep on going up while other fiat currencies are crashing really hard. Okay, and that means the inflation is gonna go skyrocketing, and that means the interest rate will continue to skyrocket as well. So I guess this is it, guys. Buckle up, we're in for a rough ride. Okay, we're in for a rough ride. So that being said, guys, do me a favor, please follow my Twitter. Okay, I do a lot of engagement posts and I really want to interact with you guys. All right, and with that being said, please like and subscribe and comment on my YouTube video. I'm a small YouTuber looking to bring you guys crypto adoption. Okay, I really love crypto and I really love doing this. Okay, I hope you guys will subscribe. Please give my channel a chance and follow my Twitter. Okay, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.